What's good, guys? Good morning. How's everybody? Um, I've been away on the group for a while, so yeah, over the weekend, based on one or two things that I've been doing. So, and I welcome you guys to a trading week, a new trading week. I believe that this trading week, by God's grace, is gonna give us more profits, yes, than the last week. So last week Monday, I think Monday or Tuesday, I dropped an analysis on gold on this group. So where I predicted an entry from this breaker block on the 1 hour time frame. Yes, this breaker block from the 1 hour time frame, and price mitigated it nicely, and from since then it has been selling. Sorry. So since then it has been selling to the downside. So and it has been a nice sell actually. It has been a nice sell on gold. So yeah, what are we doing for this week on gold? What are we doing for this week on gold? So as you can see, let's use the H4 time frame. We saw that price has been creating, sorry about that, so we saw that price has been creating series of lower lows and lower highs. So we had this break of structure, and this was the last valid break of structure to the downside. So if you are a day trader and you got an entry from this breaker block on H1 time frame, you know that your TP should be at the swing low. So working with this trading range, this internal trading range, yeah, the substructure for the daily time frame is being found on H4 and 1 hour time frame. So working with this substructure, you'll have taken your profit at this point. But if you are working with the weekly CRT, if you remember from the video, we go, yeah, on the H4 time frame, you can now get another entry from after price should take out this. If price should take out this inducement high, then we are most likely going to be coming for this order block right here, this bearish order block. So it is more clearer even on H1 time frame. It is clear on H1 time frame. So you saw the way price took out this high, swept this high, then sold to the downside, taking out internal lows and the major lows, isn't it? So we have this high as inducement high, and price is coming for it to take it out, then sell to the downside. So that is my outlook on gold for the week. For more sales, yes, and my sell is going to be coming from this POI. So you can wait for confirmation on 15 minutes time frame or 5 minutes time frame, depending on what you are interested in. So then I would like to talk about a trap. Yes, there is a trap on daily time frame that if you are not careful, you might fall into that trap. So the trap is just to build more liquidity, grab people's money, and price should move. So there is this CRT daily time frame on CRM. Sorry, CRT on daily time frame. Look at this CRT low being taken by this price, and price clothing within the range of this daily time frame candle. So, and if you drop down to I think 30 minutes time frame, there is a nice order block. You see this order block. So we had this change in state of delivery, and we had this break of structure to the upside, this inducement, and this nice order block. So I'm not saying that this cannot hold. Well, this is the market. It can do anything it wants to do. But then always remember that in a downtrend, we are only interested in supply areas, not demand area. I know that gold has been in a downtrend based on what we are seeing. And higher time frame on the weekly time frame, on the daily time frame, and on the H4 time frame. So looking at this now, this is, for me, it is more like a trap. So if price should come from this area, from this point that it is right now to this point, probably it may sponsor price to the upside to go and mitigate this supply. But I'm not interested in this buy. The only thing I'm interested is in this sell. So if price should find its way here, I'll be selling. And if price is coming down and this is still fresh, I won't flinch. I won't close my trade. Worst yet, I'll break even. But I'm expecting price to come and take out this overall draw on liquidity, which is a sell side liquidity from the weekly time frame. So that's my analysis on gold, and I hope this is clear. More analysis through pictures on the WhatsApp group. Yes, on this group. So if you are watching this on YouTube, please do well to subscribe, like this content, and share to your friends. And I'll be dropping the link to my WhatsApp community in the comment section, so you can join our WhatsApp group through the link. It's gonna help you a lot because you meet like-minded traders, and you can even connect with me directly from there. Thank you very much. Bye bye.